How to find random lives on Instagram. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Instagram app in your device. Make sure it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. To find your random live on Instagram, you need to select on the plus sign icon first and foremost, as we do not have a particular section for random live. Now when you tap on the plus sign icon, scroll to the option until you are in the live option. So first and foremost, scroll to the live. Now tap on the live to start with your live. Do not worry, this is for a couple of seconds only. Now once you are live, tap on the send icon and send it to one of your friends. Then just tap on the cross sign icon to end your live video. Select on discard media. Once it is done, tap on your DM section and select on the conversation that you send the live on. As you can see, there is a watch live video. Since the live has been ended and we want to check for more live, we have to head back from here. Then give a refresh in your DM section. Again, select the conversation. Now select on watch more. In here, you'll find all of the random live that you can check out. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.